To get started, I just added a video with some audio to my timeline that I like to enhance. Okay, right now you're listening to the audio that I'd like to enhance. Let's begin by going up to the Audio tab, which will open up the Essential Audio panel. Then make sure you have your audio clip selected on your timeline, and in the Essential Sound panel, select the type of sound you're working with, in this case, minus dialogue. Alright, the first thing you might want to try out is one of the presets. To save yourself a lot of time, I usually choose either the balanced male or the podcast voice. Okay, right now you're listening to the audio that I'd like to enhance. This sounds pretty good, but let's set the preset back to default and do it on our own, starting with the loudness. For this, simply click Auto Match to set your loudness to a balanced level. Okay, right now you're listening to the audio that I'd like to enhance. Okay, that sounds fine. So let's look at the clarity options next. Turn on the dynamics. And the great thing about this is you can drag the slider to adjust it while you play it back. Okay, right now you're listening to the audio that I'd like to enhance. For the EQ, I usually use one of the subtle boost presets or the podcast voice, since I like the clarity it brings to the vocals. Okay, right now you're listening to the audio that I'd like to enhance. Lastly, there is an option for enhancing your speech. Since I'm a guy, I'm going to stick with low tones. Okay, right now you're listening to the audio that I'd like to enhance. Using the enhanced speech is very much based on preference, since you might not like how much it may compress your voice. Okay, right now you're listening to the audio that I'd like to enhance, but yeah, that's all there is to it when it comes to quickly enhancing your voice. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.